I want to show you an optional kit that is actually like we have a walkie-talkie like adapter cable here, and the Y like splittering cable. So this is not like included in the kit, is optional as I just said, but Lexin offers it because it's allowing our user in case to create a group communication in a two-way radio basically. So enlarge the range of calling between like the people within the group. So we have a distance of 3.5 kilometers, so that is quite like much bigger than before. So let me show you how it works. So basically we have our main unit here. However, we need to remove the jack of our speaker, and we need to use the Y splittering cable, and we're gonna insert it like as usual, like pretty strongly. Okay, here we have two headsets. We have 3.5 mm and 2.5 mm. So in this case we're gonna take the jack of your speaker here and insert it in the 3.5 mm, just press it, and the walkie-talkie adapter cable in the 2.5 mm. Okay, as you see here we have a couple of elements. We have a K connector here and a PTT button with a handlebar. This is actually the way you need to press to talk. So we take the walkie-talkie, we open it here, we take the K connector and be sure to press it till the end quite strongly. Okay, great. So now that we connected, it should work. So we have two here. You take your speaker, your microphone, you take the PT button here and you start. 1, 2, 3. It's actually working. So if you want to stop to talk, you need to remove your finger, and that's all. Once again, this is an optional kit, so it's not part of the INTERCOM unit. So if you want it to or you have a question about it, you just let us know.